Let's see how to create an amazing watermark for the images. I'm going to use Add Text mobile app for this watermark creation. It is cool with amazing features. First, let's create a simple logo with transparent background. Select transparent background by click on the second icon in the background section. Also, you can change the background to any other colors or images. Select transparent background. Click on the plus icon on bottom. Then sticker. I'm using this shopping cart icon to create a simple logo. You can change the size of the icon as you want. And can change the position too. I would like to keep it on center, vertical center, horizontal center. Add some text to the logo. Change the size of the texts. You can also format the texts. This font seems good. Position it as you want. Now click on the Save button and save it. Again, select transparent background. Import your simple logo. Click on the Position button, then click on left bottom icon. Resize the logo into 25%. Make some copies of logo. Drag the logos and position them as you want. Then save it. Import the watermark that you just now created. Reduce the opacity of watermark. And save it. Successfully watermark added to image. If this video is helpful, like it and subscribe this channel to get notifications of new videos. Please comment your feedback and if you need support from us to use any apps. Let's meet with another amazing video.